Hello my dear students and viewer of my YouTube channel. Welcome to Vedic Gurukul IT's YouTube channel. This is your host Mr. Jitendra, MSc in Mathematics. He is a CBSE math teacher in Bhubaneswar, Odisha since a very long age. Today we are going to start a very interesting chapter of class 10 CBSE which will come in exam. And this amazing chapter name is triangles. Before going to start triangles, we want to discuss about the congruent figure. First, we will discuss what is congruent figure. The congruent figure, two line segments are congruent if they have same length. Similarly, we can say two angles are congruent if they have same measure. Similarly, we can say two square are congruent if they have same length. Similarly, we can say two circle are congruent if they have same radii. So, after discuss congruent figure, we want to discuss what is similar figure. If we will go to definition of congruent figure, two figures are said to be congruent if they have same shape and same sizes. And we can say similar figure means two figures is said to be similar if they have same shape but different sizes. Let's discuss, we will understand. Any two line segments are similar. Any two line segments are similar. Similarly, we can say two equivalent triangles are similar. Two equivalent triangles are similar. Similarly, we can take any two rectangles are similar. Or we can say any two square similars. Any two circles we can say are similar. What is the difference between similar and congruent? Two circles are similar if they have same shape. Suppose I will discuss for circle. This is a circle and this is a bigger circle. These two circles are similar but they are not congruent. In case of congruent figure, if I will draw two circles with same radius, suppose this is 5 cm radius and this is also 5 cm radius, then we can say that two circles with equal radii are congruent. Two congruent figures are always similar, but a similar figure not necessary to be a congruent. Similar polygon. What is similar polygon? We can say two polygons are said to be similar. Two polygons are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are proportional. Similarity of triangle. Let's do some figure. Suppose I am doing one triangle, that is ABC, and I am doing another bigger triangle, that is PQR. In these two triangles, here three corresponding angle means A angle equals to B angle, B angle equals to Q angle, C angle equals to R angle. Here we can say the corresponding angles are equal. And in another point of view, if I will discuss what is their corresponding sides are proportional means, if I will take the corresponding sides of AB, then the corresponding sides of PQR triangle will be PQ. Then we can take, if it is BC in ABC triangle, in PQR triangle it will be QR. Similarly, if I will take AC in a triangle ABC, in PQ triangle, PQR triangle, the corresponding of AC will be PR. If it will satisfy these two criteria, then we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This is sign represent for similar. So I hope you understand about the similarity of triangle. Now I want to discuss one more thing which is more important. Now I want to discuss Thales theorem.